driving. Oh, this is great, guys. Thanks. Have you guys ever been in an electric vehicle before?
A few of them, yeah.
What have you guys gone in besides the truck?
I've been in a Tesla a few times.
Nice. What do you think of them so far?
Not my favorite, but that's okay.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not disagreeing. So what I really like about the Mustang Mach-E, it's the first of many things for Ford, but just like how the truck is still very much an F-150, this is still very much a Mustang, and we're doing electric, but in style. So when I take off, this is the GT. So we have the fastest, highest trim level right here, but this is like black ice for me. My tires are going to spin a little bit. I'm going to kick it out to the side so you feel a little bit of that power. So without even trying, we get up to 31 miles an hour. And there's my emergency brakes. Kicking in on me because it wants to get going, but I feel like I have training wheels on here. I want to get up and go and just race everybody. Because we have 480 horsepower in here, 600 foot-pounds of torque, which is just an insane amount of power. 0 to 60 is 3.5 seconds. So while that truck has more power than I do, it weighs more, so I can beat it off the line and beat it in the main streets. We have two different battery options for this vehicle, just like the truck does. The standard range battery is the smaller one. It'll give you about 230 miles to the charge. The larger battery is the extended range. It'll give you about 310 miles to the charge. The GT automatically will come with the largest battery option. However, if you drive like me, you will not get that max amount of range. As you can see on my dash, it does say I have 95% of the battery left, but only about 244. The same thing applies like when a gas model vehicle. The worse you drive, the worse gas mileage you get. Right. So just don't drive like a crazy person. Well, thank you folks very much.